Exercise 2.2, problem 6.1. Okay, discussion. Let's read the problem. How many terms are there in the arithmetic progression in -1, -5 by 6, -2 by 3 up to the last term is given as 10 by 3. Okay, I think we have already done similar problem, but only thing here it is given in terms of fractions. Anyway, we'll do this again, no problem. Okay, so let's mark what is given in the problem. Okay, it's an arithmetic progression, first point. Next, a is -1 and t2 is, that is t1 is a and that is -1, t2 is -5 by 6. The last term is given as 10 by 3. So let's write it out. So t1 equal to a, that's equal to -1, t2 equal to -5 by 6, l equal to 10 by 3. The last term is n by 3. Okay. So what are we asked to calculate? How many terms are there in the arithmetic series progression? Which means we want to know what is the value of n for this term. Okay. So Tn is 10 by 3, but we want to know the value of n. That is what they are asking us to find. We need to calculate n. So let's write the formula for n. Actually, n, there is no formula for n. So what's next? Let's look into the given information. We have a formula for L. So write the formula for L. As I told you, whatever they are asked to calculate, write a formula for this. And if not, if there is no formula directly there, so look into the given information and try to write a formula for one of those terms. Okay, one of the given information. And also, yeah, okay, and there is a formula. Okay, I'm sorry. So which is the same using the L actually. So n equal to L minus a by d plus 1. This is the formula for n, right? The number of terms in a series when the last term and the first term and the d is given. But as you can see, you cannot do this because we don't know d. So we'll have to calculate d. What's right the formula for d? D is equal to t2 minus t1, right? We know t2 and t1 both are given. We should be able to calculate d. Once you know d, you come back here, substitute and get the values of n. Okay, that's it. So what's the step 1? Step 1 is calculating d using t2 minus t1. Step 2, calculating n by substituting the values of L, A and d. Okay, so pretty easy, isn't it? So pause the video here, try to do the problem on your own, and then after doing, come back and check your working against our solution. Okay, the solution. Given what is given, t1 equal to a, that's equal to -1, t2 is -5 by 6, l equal to 10 by 3, that's the last term. Okay, common difference is given by the formula t2 minus t1. So substitute t2 and t1, we get d equal to -5 by 6 minus, open a bracket, -1. Please be careful with signs because a is -1, so it's better to put -1 inside a bracket. So it becomes -5 by 6, minus of minus will become plus 1. And 6 you take an LCM, so it will be -5 plus 6. Okay, so that's equal to 1 by 6. So the d is 1 by 6. Now all we need to do is substitute the values of a, l and d in the formula n equal to l minus a by d plus 1, which will get you n is equal to l is 10 by 3 minus a is -1. Again you put this inside a bracket, divided by d, which we calculated in this step. Okay, so that's 1 by 6 plus 1 is the formula. So now let's start simplifying. Here this will become plus. Okay, 3 is the LCM, so it's 10 plus 3 divided by 3. Okay, okay, and then this will be the same 1 by 6. Okay, great. Plus 1. Now plus 1, let it be as it is. Now this is 13 by 3 divided by 1 by 6. A fraction by fraction, you can write it as 13 by 6 multiplied by, this will get inverted, 6 by 1. This remains same, plus 1. Please open brackets and do inside the brackets, otherwise you're likely to go wrong. Okay, so this what will happen, So 13 by 3 into 6 by 1, 3 will go 2 times, so 13 into 2 is 26, 26 plus 1. So n will be equal to 27. Thus, there are 27 terms in the AP series, or T27 equal to 10 by 3. Okay, so that's how this problem is to be done. Okay, I hope you're working right. If not, see where you have gone wrong and make suitable correction. If you have not understood the concept, please go back and view the discussion part of the video and try to get your concept cleared. Okay, thanks for watching the video.